What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm back here with a part 2 to my other video where I installed a carbon fiber CS style spoiler on my F30, but as I mentioned in that video, I wasn't too satisfied with the actual CS style look, the design that this particular spoiler had that I bought off of eBay. However, the quality of it, the carbon fiber look and everything was excellent, had no complaints there. It's just the overall look of the spoiler that I wasn't too satisfied. It wasn't really what I was going for. So if you take a look here at the spoiler that I am talking about, I just wasn't happy with how little it stuck out and up. It's kind of too low profile. I did want to keep it low profile, but not this low profile. I feel like it should stick up a little higher, based off what I saw on other pictures of F30s with the CS style spoiler on it. And I also didn't like how this looks here, where it kind of wraps around the trunk there. I wasn't too happy with that, so I went ahead and just bought another carbon fiber CS style spoiler. This one was a bit more expensive, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna have the look that I was going for. So here is the new spoiler that I purchased. This one, from what I can tell, looks a lot like what I was going for. Just take it out of this covering here. From this side, it pretty much looks exactly the same, but if we flip it over to this side, it looks like it sticks up a bit more, which is what I wanted. And if you look on the edges here, it doesn't, wrap around the trunk. It has a flat edge there, which suggests that it just goes on top of the trunk. It doesn't wrap around like on the other one. I got this particular one off of ECS Tuning for $300. But anyway, for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the other spoiler that's on there right now and put this new one on. Now, as you might have seen, the double-sided tape actually is already on the spoiler. They put it on there for you. So that's pretty cool. You don't have to do that. It saves a step. So literally, I just have to peel off the red covering and then just stick it on the trunk after I remove the other one. If we actually take a look here, I put the new one on top. And as you can see, the one on top, which is the new one, sticks up a little higher, which is what I want. It is pretty much the look that I was originally trying to go for when I bought the one on the bottom, but as you can see, the bottom one is just a lot thinner and a lot more low profile. So I think this is going to do it. I'll definitely be satisfied based off how this looks right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the spoiler that's on the bottom here and then go ahead and put the new one on. Alright guys, so this spoiler looks so much better than the other one. It is the exact look I was going for with the CS style. I'm just super satisfied with how this looks now. As I mentioned, it sticks up a bit higher than the other one, which is what I wanted. Still low profile, but at the same time a bit more aggressive than the other one. So yes, super satisfied. With the GTS taillights and now this new spoiler, the rear end looks so much better. it goes well with the rest of the car now in terms of aggressiveness. I actually didn't have the GTS taillights in when I installed the first spoiler, so now with these in and the spoiler, like I said, looks so good. So all the rear end needs now is pretty much just a diffuser, and I am currently in the works on getting a new diffuser that I think you guys will find really awesome. This diffuser is gonna look pretty badass. How I envision it in my head, I just cannot wait to get the diffuser and have all this together. The rear end is gonna look so clean. I just can't wait. The diffuser that I'm trying to get is pretty rare. I have not seen it on many F30s, hardly at all. I've only seen it on a couple, and I can't wait to get my hands on it because it is definitely unique and extremely aggressive. It's just gonna make the rear look so good. Honestly, the year is already half over and this car is coming together so well in terms of mods. At the beginning of the year, it was completely stock, but just after 6 months, this is what it looks like. And I still got plenty of mods that I am planning to do, that I want to do. By the time I'm done with this thing, it is going to be the cleanest F30 in San Diego County. At least I'd like it to be. It's pretty much going to look like my E90 in terms of cleanness. The E90's been kind of just sitting here for a while since I've been focused on the F30, but I actually do have a pretty big mod coming for the E90 soon here, and I can't wait to show you guys. It's been a while since I've done a pretty big mod on this car, but I do got something, and I will have a video for you guys on the E90. So yeah guys, I am super satisfied with how this rear end looks with this this specific C style spoiler. Looks a lot better than the other one, like I said. As usual, I'll link this one down if you want to check it out. I got it from ECS Tuning for $300, and it is perfect. Literally everything about it is perfect, absolutely no complaints whatsoever. But anyway guys, that is pretty much going to wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new here for more content like this, where I do all sorts of mods and maintenance and just talk about my BMW F30, 335i, and then my E90 back there, my 328i. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.